Okay, guys, one more little part. Okay, these are called literal equations, and they're way different. Okay, because this time we're going to be using equations that we've actually seen before, such as perimeter equals four sides, or P equals L 2L plus 2W. Okay, and when you see these types of equations, they're actually going to tell you to solve for a specific part, such as this one tells us to solve for S, which means we want to again solve for our variable. In this case, it's S. So, like an equation, we're going to, how do we get S by itself? Simply, we've got to get rid of the 4 side of it. And since 4 and S are together, that means we're multiplying, which means we actually need to divide. So we're going to just draw our line and we're going to divide each side by 4. Okay, and that will cross out. So then S is going to equal P over 4. And that is actually going to be our answer. Okay, so if I look at the next one down, it says P equals 2L plus 2W. And it says to solve for L. Okay, that means I need to get the L all to itself. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is, okay, I guess draw our line. Now, just like in our equation, what's not with the L right now is the 2W. Okay, and we want to go ahead and we actually want to subtract the 2W from both sides. Okay, that leaves me now with P minus 2W is equal to 2L. Now, how else am I going to get the L by itself? It's, again, because this is multiplying, I need to divide. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2, and that will get rid of that. So now L is equal to P minus 2W over 2. And that will be our final answer. Okay, and my last example that I have for you is M equals X minus Y over 3. And I want to solve for that X. Okay, so the first thing I want to do right here is I want to actually get rid of that 3. So how do I get rid of the denominator? Well, of course, I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. So that gets rid of there. So now I got 3M is equal to X minus Y. All right, now how am I going to get the X by itself? Well, I've got a minus Y. So that tells me I need to add Y to both sides. Okay, when I do that, that cancels out. So now I've got 3M plus Y is equal to X. X is now by itself, and that is my final answer there. So literal equations. Look at the equation. Look at what it's asking you to solve for. That's what you want to get to itself. Okay? And you're just following the same steps we do with regular equations.